Have you ever found yourself staring at your books, wishing you could just get started, but somehow you just caw? I used to be in the same boat, distracted, unmotivated, and always finding excuses to avoid studying. It felt like my brain was working against me, making every study session a battle. But what if I told you that it's possible to flip the script and actually make your brain crave studying? In this video, I'll share the surprising tricks I used to turn studying from a chore into something I genuinely look forward to. Let's dive into how I rewired my mind, starting from the very first step. Truly change how I felt about studying, I had to understand how habits work in the brain. Our brains are wired to seek rewards, and that's why we get hooked on things like social media or junk food. But what if we could use that same wiring to our advantage? By pairing study sessions with small, immediate rewards like a favorite snack or a quick break, I started to associate studying with positive feelings. Over time, my brain began to crave those study sessions just like it craved other enjoyable activities. This simple trick was a game changer, and it's backed by real science. Once I understood the science, I created a routine that made studying almost automatic. I set up a dedicated workspace, minimized distractions, and used a timer to break my study time into short, focused bursts. Each time I completed a session, I rewarded myself, reinforcing the positive association. Gradually, studying became less of a struggle and more of a habit, something my brain actually looked forward to. The key was consistency and making the process enjoyable. By sticking to this routine, I found myself not only studying more but actually enjoying the process. After a few weeks of following this method, the results were incredible. Not only did my grades improve, but I also felt more confident and less stressed. My brain had truly become addicted to studying, and it all started with a few simple changes. If you're struggling to stay motivated, remember that it's possible to train your brain to love studying. Start small, be consistent, and watch as your mindset transforms. With the right approach, anyone can make studying a rewarding and even enjoyable part of life.